Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your washing machine keeps adding water and doesn't stop at the normal level, you may end up with an overfilled tub and interrupted wash cycles. Continuous filling can happen because of control issues, restricted pressure sensing, water inlet problems, or temporary malfunctions affecting the washing machine. Ignoring the issue may lead to unnecessary water usage and poor washing performance. Fortunately, there are several basic checks you can perform before considering more extensive repairs. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help stop your washing machine from overfilling and restore normal operation. Try these. Step 1. Pause the cycle on the washing machine and turn off the water supply if the tub continues filling. Step 2. Check the water inlet area connected to the washing machine for anything unusual. Step 3. Perform a power reset by unplugging the washing machine for several minutes. Step 4. Inspect the pressure hose area associated with the washing machine for blockages or kinks. Step 5. Restart the washing machine and select a new wash program. Step 6. Monitor the water level inside the washing machine to confirm that filling stops at the proper level.